Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something really exciting to share with you. We'll be exploring 10 unique ways to upcycle household items. So if you're someone who loves getting creative and wants to make a positive impact on the environment, this video is for you. Before we dive into these amazing upcycling ideas, let's quickly talk about why upcycling is important. Upcycling is all about finding new and creative uses for items that would otherwise end up in the landfill. It's a fantastic way to reduce waste and give new life to everyday objects. Plus, it's a great opportunity to showcase your creativity and DIY skills. All right, let's get started with our first upcycling idea. Number 1, turn old wine bottles into stylish planters. Wine bottles can add a touch of elegance to any space, but instead of throwing them away, why not repurpose them? We'll show you how to transform them into beautiful planters that will breathe life into your home. Next up, number 2. Transform broken chairs into functional shelves. We all know how frustrating it is when a chair breaks, but don't toss it just yet. With a little bit of creativity, you can turn that broken chair into a unique and eye-catching shelf. It's not only practical, but also adds a charming and eclectic touch to your decor. Now let's move on to number 3. Repurpose old picture frames into jewelry organizers. Picture frames are often forgotten about or discarded, but they have so much potential. By adding some hooks and fabric, you can create a stunning jewelry organizer that will keep your accessories organized and easily accessible. Moving along to number 4, upcycle tin cans into stylish desk organizers. Tin cans are found in every kitchen, but instead of throwing them away, let's turn them into something useful. By painting and decorating them, you can create trendy desk organizers for your pens, pencils, and other stationery items. Number 5 on our list is repurposing old t-shirts into reusable tote bags. We all have those old t-shirts lying around that we no longer wear. But did you know they can be transformed into eco-friendly tote bags? We'll show you a simple and quick method to turn those shirts into stylish bags that are perfect for shopping or carrying your essentials. Moving on to number 6. Give new life to old dresser drawers by turning them into stylish wall shelves. When you're upgrading your furniture, don't overlook the drawers. They can be transformed into unique wall shelves that are both practical and visually appealing. Number 7 is all about repurposing mason jars into charming candle holders. Mason jars have become quite popular, and there's no shortage of creative ways to use them. In this project, we'll show you how to transform plain mason jars into beautiful candle holders that will add warmth and coziness to any room. Now let's move on to number 8. Turn old wooden pallets into rustic furniture. Wooden pallets are incredibly versatile and can be repurposed into various pieces of furniture. From coffee tables to outdoor seating, we'll guide you through the process of creating your own rustic and environmentally friendly furniture. Number 9 is all about upcycling old window frames into stunning wall decor. Instead of disposing of old windows during renovations, why not turn them into beautiful pieces of art? We'll show you how to clean, paint, and repurpose these frames into unique wall decorations that will make a statement in any room. Finally, we've reached number 10, transforming vintage suitcases into stylish storage solutions. Vintage suitcases have a nostalgic charm, but instead of leaving them collecting dust in the attic, let's repurpose them into functional storage solutions. From bedside tables to quirky storage containers, we'll show you how to breathe new life into these old suitcases. And there you have it, 10 unique ways to upcycle household items. We hope you've enjoyed these creative ideas and feel inspired to give upcycling a try. Remember, not only are you reducing waste, but you're also adding a personal touch to your home decor. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative DIY projects and sustainability tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy upcycling!